Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science Insider. In this video, we are going to discuss about there is an opportunity for the research associate opening in the NIPGR, Functional Genomic Research. Okay, so this is the great opportunity. Let's talk about what are the eligibility criteria and what are the basic requirements they are asking. Okay, and what is the last date also. So this is National Institute of Plant Genome Research, NIPGR. So it's been released on just June 5, and applications are invited from the suitable candidates for filling up the purely temporary position of one research associate RA in the SERB's Swarna Jayanti Fellowship project entitled Enhancing the Seed Blight Disease Tolerance in the Rice of Dr. Gopal Ji Jha, scientist and IPGR research associate for third one post. Okay, so the emoluments will be 54,000 and the 24% will be HRA per month as sanctioned in this project. Essential qualification: candidates having the PhD degree in life science, biotechnology, molecular biology or related field. Candidates having the MTech in biotechnology, bioinformatics with the 3 years of research experience with the relevant research publications and fulfilling the norm or guidelines of the DST is issued wide DST office memorandum number, and these are the given and dated January 2029. Desirable qualifications: candidates having the research experience in the area of the plant pathogen interaction, functional genomics, development and characterization of the transgene gene added rice, duly supported with the relevant publications in the SCI journals, having at least two first author research paper in the SCI journal with a more than 3 impact factors will be preferred. Job requirements: to carry out the research in the area of plant pathogen interactions using the rice and Rhizoctonia solanaceae and the as photosystems. Candidates need to fill up the Google sheet given below, upload all the necessary documents along with the form. So this is the link for the filling of the form. I'll be giving this into the description so you can apply easily from there. And the above position is completely on the temporary basis and a co-terminus with the project. The fellowship amount for the above position is sanctioned and the project as per the DST SERB norms. The initial appointment will be for only 1 year or till the tenability of the project, whichever is earlier. At the same can be curtailed, extended on the basis of assessment of the candidate's performance and the discretion of the competent authority. The web link with the date and time of online interview will be emailed to the shortlisted candidates. The candidate must ascertain their eligibility before applying, as ineligible candidates will not be interviewed. Canvassing in any form of the bringing influence, political or otherwise, will lead to the disqualification of the candidate. Note: only the soft copy of the application in the above mentioned Google form submitted within the 15 days from the date of advertisement will be accepted, and incomplete application and the lack of supporting educational certificates in the publication records will be rejected. No DFDA will be paid for the attending of the interview. For any clarification, candidate may contact scientist in charge through email only at the jmsgopal@nipgr.ac.in. Dr. Gopal Ji Jha, who is a scientist in the National Institute of Plant Genome Research, Aruna Saraf Ali Mark, post office box this number, and it's in the New Delhi. So yeah, so these are the email and you can apply through. I'll be putting everything into the description. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. And if you don't want to miss any kind of opportunities like project opportunities, PhD admission notifications, entrance examinations, and any kind of recruitment that you don't want to miss, so you should consider this channel for subscribing. And at the same time, if you want to study about the CSIR NET JRF examination and related examination, for example ICMR, ICAR, GATE, Excel and BT, so you are in the right place. We usually we take the lectures for the this national level examination, and for myself I have qualified CSIR NET JRF with the All India rank 17 in 2023 and also this December 2023. So you're good to go, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.